And another thing then that I know then Daniela, the king mama enter trying creativity. Then everybody was imagining wula kan when shashi after ayunda mabaniro pamsa ayuna no mba wa piano.
Tum berkas ya ambor nyem to heaven. Come on how? Wula kenya venya adanka yetum la 247.
Come on how programs of Abdul Basif ku chirenye yule yung pa ka bo no kum yerga tang na ko bo hana bon lu no pa pyam faso la ran yale wi ka na ka bo no la kum yerga tang na ko bo hana bon la halu na dana pa andu abidu la ran yale a program wazo bo no programs o yel viale be yel bi an yele den dey trendra pyong wakati an ka tizan leta I'm new to this channel. Tira biakam the subscribe button matter tia the notification the swanka anytime to drop new content ka was notify new notification about live content mama. Our second benyere swama kin ma Macasio. Congratulations to Macasio for having a successful show. Tamale Sports Stadium opune.
Zobe, are you okay?
Shania, no caption mark and feel it. The Real Madrid in Barcelona finals. It's our The Glory album. It was a successful show. Big congrats to him. Atisha Bansa passed through to Sanya a lot of creativity, especially from Chua Boys. Ya camp banong de la vampala. Chua Boys banko to Juna State can expect Russian carton ya wala shebong ma. But say no different thing altogether. Baby, I know different thing altogether. Aranya ka meji mbala zako some simple rap here. These people they are doing great. Chua Boys, but I know but at my it was marvelous. And another thing then that I know then Daniela, the king mama enter trying creativity. Then everybody was imagining wula kan when shashi after ayunda mabaniro pamsa ayuna no mba wa piano. So wow. So I'm at the Sanya 69 fans, very Zola Hood in collaboration with Fuzal Constructions. So great that comes Saji, Kakin Master and piano, or concert map and Tumbona 10 years better creativities. So to Queensland come on how programs or canon congrats to Macasio for having a successful show at Ali Mahama Sports Stadium 12th November by Madame is a Glory album to whom the Yelaka Udrania then no Bedesanya then no Ali Mahama Sports Stadium successful show in Belongoma. Kanyara Abdul Basif Kwechirenya Kolana on command how programs or Katazan de Trana Yusuf Abu Turson producers and the program Siba Hadi Sam Loco aka Samandi when you in the cameras or para now the chaps here.
Tum berkas ya ambor nyem to heaven. Come on how? Wula kenya venya adanka yetum la 247. Come on.